Hello, welcome to the channel. This time we are looking at arranging in order, that is least to greatest. We are given a number of integers here: 5, -3, 0, -8, 7. So when we are arranging in order, we look at the position of each digit, how great or how small it is. So we'll start with -8 because it is the smallest number here in the given set of numbers. We write -8, we go to -3, we go to 0, we go to 5, we go to 7. We have been given a task of arranging from the smallest to the greatest. Now, why is -8 smaller than -3? Because it is away from the 0. It is too far away from the 0. That's why it is the smallest. Numbers that are close to 0 in negatives are the large numbers. Like -3 and -8, -3 will be closer to 0 than -8 on the number line. So that is why -8 is smaller than -3. Then we continue to our next example. We have -9, -2, -5, -4, -1. In our previous example, we have said that the more the number is from 0, that is the smallest number in the negative. So the smallest here will be -9. Then we go to -5. We come to -4. We come to -2. Then -1. So this means that -1 is the largest in all these numbers that we are given. Why? Because -1 is closer to 0, which is the neutral number always when we are arranging numbers on the number line. Then we go to our third example. This one has a 0 in it: -1, 2, -3, 4. So we'll start with -3 being the smallest because it is way far from the 0 than -1. Then we go to 0. 0, remember, is the neutral number which is dividing the negatives and the positives. So we go to 2, then 4. So we have a 0 here, we have -1, we have -3. Why? Because -3 is far away from 0 than -1. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.